Now add query into your sprites folder. So sprite folders are at downside. That means on left side at down of the screen. That is in project window. So in project window we have sprites folder. So in sprites folder we are inserting our character. So query is our character now. So query character is inserted is in sprites folder now. Just as you did with other, make sure that you remember to set the pixels per unit to 50 again. That means our grid size is actually 50 in Unity. So according to our grid size, we are changing the pixels of our character, that is 50 by 50. So that is why we are keeping per unit 50 again, and then drag it into your scene. That means by clicking on that icon, we are dragging it into directly our scene. So this is one method. So this is easiest method. So we are dragging our character into scene. Name this game object. So game object player. So this game character is also a game object like other objects which are tiles, soil and grass. So now we have three here game object. That is, first game object was our soil, then second was our grassy soil, soil having with grass on upside. So that was second game object, and now we have a game character. That is, third object is this player, which is squarey. So keep it separate from squares folder. So keeping it separate from square folder. So that is why we created another folder in our into our sprites folder, that was at the bottom of our screen, left hand side. So this was an another folder. So in this another folder we separated this game character from other characters. So we have setup of our character now. Congratulations, you now have a main character. So this main character is a squarey. Problem is he doesn't actually do anything here. So we have not added physics to it, and not added physics to tiles also. That means squares and that means soil with grass. So we have not added physics to that also, and we have not added physics to our game character. So it will not do anything yet. So it is just there, but it is not doing anything. So next thing is to add our physics, that so that gravity and other things will affect our character. So gravity and other things will affect our character means our player will have gravity now. So gravity will work on our player. So we can change our scale of gravity also, that is 6. So if we select gravity as 6 in inspector window, it will drop fast. If we create gravity as 1, so it will be lighter, the character will be lighter, and it will be dropped slowly. And you won't believe how Unity makes this bit easy. That means makes this bit easy means using gravity, adding as a box collider, or having adding physics to it. Basically Unity makes it easier. Now using rigid body 2D. As mentioned, the whole point of using physics engine like Unity is so that we can access ready-made scripts and elements to avoid coding everything ourselves from scratch. This makes it incredibly simple to add something like gravity. So with the help of rigid body 2D, we can add gravity, and it is actually easier without doing any coding. All we have to do is drag a script onto our game object for it to take effect. So we are dropping script into our game object. That means we are going into options, then we are selecting uh, add component, and then physics 2D etc. So we are dropping that script into our game object. So it is easy with the help of such Unity engine for adding features like gravity.